What did the traffic light say to the car? Don't look, I'm about to change. Phil's Facts. Season 4 is all about renovation, and the first thing you need to know is it is going to be a mess. Listen, guys, you have this incredible idea. You are ready to build your dream home. You found the ugliest house in the perfect neighborhood, and you're gonna bring it back to life. What you've got to understand is as soon as the contractors get in there, the pretty turns ugly. Yeah, you know the pretty, everything you had in your mind that said, hey, look, I'm going to have the most beautiful home in the world. Before that happens, it's got to be a complete mess. So things will be there, here, over there, everywhere. The thing I want you to remember is if you've got a great contractor, chances are this is more like organized chaos. So bear with them, make sure that your job site is as clean as possible, but it's gonna be a mess. Accept it, enjoy it, and get on with it, because when it's done, you'll have the dream. Let's go. Next episode.